जग चंद्राए मैनू ताने मारता ओ जग चंद्राए मैनू ताने मारता मैं यारी तेरे संग जब से लगाई यारी तेरे संग जब से लगाई मैं यारी तेरे संग जब से लगाई यारी तेरे संग जब से लगाई दुनिया नसीब हो गई तुझे मुझे आंखों लगा मुझे कैसे मेरी हो मुझे आंखों लगा मुझे ऐसे
is a heavenly setting for a private party and a grand celebration with very, very fresh interiors. We have been very minimalistic and simple in our interiors. We have not loaded with any jargons there. So coming up on site will be, thanks to Veer here, Veer Call, will be an on-site green room from Headmasters. So you don't need to get ready all the way and trickle your sweat down your chin, and you can always come here and get ready. So the green rooms will be ready in the next 1 month. So it's surely going to be an added convenience. So lawns as we sit here are spread across about 30,000 square feet and will accommodate again over 1,000 guests. Had you been here in the evening, the lighting brings up the elements of the lawn and is very pristine, so you don't need any extra lighting effects, so you've done all the work. So the walls around here are already preloaded with wirings. We sit here, this is going to be live data streaming. So the wall behind, right which I'm pointing, is going to be streaming window for live telecast of this location for the person who's not visiting. So let's say you have a guest here who has not been able to present on the occasion. So you can beam him live there. So we will give you data connectivity to connect to people who could not make it. So well-equipped central business center for conferences, CCTV surveillance, over 60 cameras, live feed. You can view anywhere where you're sitting. Obviously, goes without saying that we worked a lot on our kitchen space. We created 2 separate kitchens. A separate kitchen for vegetarian as well as the non-vegetarian food, because some people are, like my mother, very picky on non-vegetarian food management. Mom, sorry I mentioned that, but that's how it is. She would not allow me to cook non-veg food in her kitchen, so I have a separate kitchen for myself. So here we will offer all delectable, cuisines, which could be amalgamation of Indian as well as international cuisines. Guys, thank you, no more jargon, for joining me here in this victory lap. I hope we are able to carve an illustrious career in this new stream of work. And I would like to propose a round of applause for the on-site team of &Beyond, who have put tremendous effort once again. I would like to mention specific names here.
Hi, I'm Naresh Nanda, serial entrepreneur. We just launched this new location called &Beyond, an absolute new signature fiesta space. First on the national highway from Chandigarh to Delhi, and giving the city and the locality here, a new place to celebrate all their occasions, may it be a marriage, a corporate event, or any new product launch, birthday party, call it a 50th anniversary, you name it all, we would cover it under all one roof.
Okay.
So if in case a normal common man would want to book any occasion and celebration here, the basic default property is so well decored that he does not need to hire any more tentage or floral arrangements, so he can just move in and do a party. And in case somebody would like to go an upswing party where they want to do a fully decored or a grandeur affair, they can also add the goodies to it. May it be a high-end floral arrangement, the best of lighting, laser light show, sound, and location specialities.
Do you have the in-house catering services out here?
We have a tie-up of almost 3 or 4 leading caterers of the region. So we would cater to all segments of the society. May it be somebody doing a local party, a common man, there's a simple caterer. And if you would require a high-end caterer, so we are already in touch with caterers from the region and even outside the city.
What other services would you provide along with catering and the place provided by you?
So alongside, there are 2 or 3 special effects which we've added. We have provided a provision of on-site green room, wherein the members of the hosting party, they would get ready here on-site, would like to not travel all the way from a saloon and reach here half already wrinkled up. So they can get ready here. So the leading saloon of Chandigarh would be covering the location here. We have high-speed data connectivity to provide on-site video streaming of people who are not able to attend the venue and live webcasting, to name a few. And we have separate kitchens, which is a very important point in Hindu weddings, for non-veg and vegetarian food cooking. I have a personal message for News Today Live media viewers that myself, Naresh Nanda, would like to personally wish a very, very happy Valentine's to all of them and a very sunny afternoon. So the Basant Panchami has just ended and we are at the fag end of winter. So this location would provide you an excellent opportunity to have an outdoor gathering. Look forward to a Holi party in the outdoors and an amazing air-conditioned hall to dry away your sweat once you have danced away to glory. Thank you.